Hello, welcome back to my channel. I thought I had it back, but this is what we're going to be doing today. This right here. This is my lovely daughter. What's your name?
My name is Journey.
And we're going to be doing this stuff together, so stay tuned. And make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. So, put that up there. This is the color that I've got. Ooh. What I've got, this color. Trying to make it so y'all can see it. Y'all can see it, but I want y'all to see the whole thing. But then you have the plug-ins, adapters and stuff. And this came with it. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to see.
It's like a pin. Looks like
I don't know.
ink pen.
I gotta see in the directions, but I ain't gonna do all that on here. And the board came with it, the cutting board, along with directions and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, so it's on my lap, and I'm gonna show y'all. These are the power cord and the cord that connects to this in the computer. So what I'm gonna do, it's already plugged up. So I'm gonna do is plug it in here. It goes in the back here, and then it has this little ugly shape thing of the adapter thing that goes in back of here. I'm gonna stick it in the back, and then I'm gonna put it back there. So I put it right here because this is where it's gonna be at whenever I do my stuff. So now what we're gonna do is turn it on. Hold on. We're gonna plug this inside of my computer, my laptop, which is right here. What she's gonna do is turn it on, and then she's gonna open it. It's just, when I first opened it, it wouldn't do at the bottom. It would just whatever stay shut. But now what she's gonna do is take that thing out of there, and voila. But this is the first beginning of it, cause like I said, it's gonna be a part 2 to it because she's getting ready to go, and she wanted to help me with this. So yeah. Okay, so I got it open or plugged up and all that good stuff for now. All that good stuff for now. But what she's going to do is she's going to be reading y'all the things, the names and stuff on the Cricut cutter and all that good stuff. So,
Custom poster board, bounded fabric, cardstock, light cardstock, iron on vinyl paper.
that's all.
That's all.
And then you have these little buttons. I'll show y'all a little bit close up, but the buttons right here to move the thing around and all that good stuff. So yeah, I think this is going to be a part 2 to this because this is new to me, and yeah, this is new to me, and I'm trying to get it, right and all that stuff, so y'all can see what I'm going to be doing. But yeah, I think this is gonna be a part 2 to this. This is gonna be the first part, and the next part I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty with it. But because it's new to me, I never, I never did a Cricut cutter. I never did none of that. So yeah, it's gonna be new to it's new to me and her as well. So I don't know. Yeah, I would do. Yeah, yeah. But stay tuned. So this is the let's get started package or whatever to go with that, and um, it says unleash this beauty, and then it tells you how to do it. It says power in and power. I mean that plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut cutter machine. So what it says. So that's what I did. And then it says number 2, get connected. Okay, get connected. And then it says, see, it says just go to cricutcutter.com and slash setup. We'll walk you through every step. Then number 3 says make a little something. And it says during setup we'll make a practice. What is that? Practice. What is that? Because no, I don't care what you say about me.
During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun.
Okay, that's what this one say. And then it says number 4, bookmark this page, as in save it on your computer so you can create what you need to create. And it says this Cricut Cutter this cricutcutter.com/create. It says you'll find everything resourceful. I think that's that word. Isn't that word? Resourceful, reserve, or something?
You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy.
Okay. So this is the setup. And we're going to do that whenever she come back. And all that good stuff. And that might be tomorrow. Because after I get ready to go to church. And then you have the book and all that good stuff telling you how to do it, where to go, and all that. If you want to design something and, all that good old stuff. But, yeah. This is the book. And as I said the last time, I have about 3 of these. I have 2 at my sister's. I have 2 of these. Then I have a green one that's real long. But my stuff is at my sister's right now. And I'm going to have to get that because I got the tools and everything. I have to get that from her. What else? What is this stuff? And then this and these things. You already seen that. That's why I had got this paper right here. So I can do my stickers on there. So that's why I got this paper. And I just can't wait to do them because it look like it's going to be a little fun. And I know y'all going to watch and enjoy seeing me and my daughter. And if my other 2 want to help, that's fine with me. But I know y'all gonna enjoy it and all that good stuff of what creation stuff I'm gonna be making with my stickers. I don't even turn it this way. That I'll be, making with my stickers and stuff. So yeah, and we'll go ahead and finish watching this video on this thing to get it, But if I don't do that, then I'm gonna do another video with me doing my bracelets and stuff. This might be a short video. I don't know. But like I said, this is part one because they about to leave. And yeah. And this right here, this little area. Well, this I ain't gonna open it. Oh yeah, and this came with it. You stick down in here to draw out the stuff. But this right here, your tools go in here. I don't know what this part is right here. And I don't know what that is. But I'm about to show y'all the thing on that side where she was calling out and stuff. Yeah. But if y'all can see, this is what she was calling out on it. This right here. And paper, vinyl, iron-ons, and um cardstock and something fabric, boated fabric, whatever that name is, and yeah, custom. And then you got this. This right here is when you set the mat in here, and it bring it up, and then push it again, and it come out. Yeah, and that's pause right here, and I don't know what that one is, but you go to open button and the stuff to go in there. So this is what I have. This is what my Cricut cutter is looking like. So this be the end of my video. It's just a little tutorial of my stuff, my Cricut cutter and stuff. And like I said, the next video will be me seeing what I can do on there. Look at the computer. Well, look at the video on YouTube or whatever to get set it up thing on YouTube, and then I'm gonna do me a little. I'm gonna do it myself first. So when I mess up, y'all won't. No, I ain't gonna embarrass myself like that on here. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. But then when I get the hang of it and all that stuff, then I'm gonna come on and show y'all. But I might just show y'all the raw, cause why not? How I mess up, or but I don't know. Who's to say? I don't know yet how I'm gonna do this. But yeah, this is the first part, as I'm gonna keep saying. So y'all know it's gonna be a second part of this video. I don't know, probably tomorrow or whatever, but in a little bit I'm gonna be doing my bracelets and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all later. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notifications so you know when I post another video.